what is up? It's Bella. Welcome to my channel if you're brand new. And if you've seen me before, thanks for tuning in. I thought I would film a day in the life today. I'm going to Sarasota for 2 appointments, and then I need to clean when I get home. I need to do laundry, I need to pick up, and then I think I want to have like a little girls' night. I need to wash my hair. I think I want to do a face mask, have like a really nice night in. So I think I want to incorporate that in this video. I'm running about 5 minutes behind, so I kind of need to get started on my day. My first appointment is at the holistic doctor for my 3-month follow-up. My holistic doctor put me on a few medicines 3 months ago, so I'm just gonna do my follow-up with her. I think I need higher dosage of spironolactone. I think that's how you say it, because I'm still having some hormonal acne over here because I have high testosterone levels. So that is the first thing on the list. As I've said before, Sarasota is like an hour drive, so right now it's just 55 minutes, so we need to get to our appointment because I'm a few minutes late. Okay guys, I am about to pull into my appointment, but I'm gonna catch up with you guys after because obviously I don't want to film the doctor or myself, but I'll give you guys updates of kind of like what she says about everything because I want to be a little bit more open about like my health and everything and medicines and all that fun stuff. So I will talk to you guys soon. Okay guys, I just got back from my appointment. It took about an hour. So here are my updates. Obviously, you guys know I was diagnosed with insomnia. I think I've talked about it before. I basically can't sleep at night unless I am drugged. I actually have to take like horse tranquilizer, trazodone to go to sleep because my anxiety is just like so high, and it's not like bad anxiety. It's like excitement for the next day, and I just can't wait to start my day. Like I just like love life. So it's so weird. Like the second my head hits the pillow, I'm like, oh, I hope it's the next day. I can't wait to wake up and work out and get my routine. And then I just like think about everything that happened that day, and I like pick at it, and it's just like, it just runs in my mind. My mind never stops. So I've been on trazodone for about 4 years, and I became super dependent on it, and that is just not what you want. And now like the highest dosage, I am like so immune to it, and that's like the only thing that makes me sleep. So we're gonna do a habit like sleep tracker thing and see like what's going on, you know, what are my sleep habits, because she doesn't want me relying on it anymore. She is a holistic doctor, so she's all about wellness and not prescribing you medicine, which I love. So we're gonna do that. She took my blood. I'm gonna follow up in 3 weeks to compare it to 6 months ago's blood and see like where my hormones are at. Maybe it's a hormone thing we have to balance. So that's exciting. My face has definitely gotten better, but she did up my dosage on spironolactone, I think that's how you say it, because I have a lot of testosterone in my body, and that's why I have these breakouts. But anyways, it is 12 now and I'm hungry, so I think we're gonna go to Cava, get a nice healthy hearty lunch, and then I have an appointment at 1:30, so we're gonna work in the interim. There you go.
Bella, Bella, hey. It's the Bella.
Ciao Bella. That's what people say too.
Ciao.
Thank you so much. Have a good one. Okay, so I just got my Starbucks because I have an insane headache and I really need caffeine, and there were like no local coffee shops nearby. So I went to Starbucks, and I have like 20 minutes before I need to head to my next appointment. So I'm gonna just like pop out my computer in the car and just work on some things and try to be productive within this 20 minutes. I was gonna go into Starbucks, but like there's just no point to like lug my stuff in there, get settled down, and then have to like move in like 20 minutes. I was like, okay, I'm just gonna sit in my car and do my hotspot and like not have to like keep going back and forth. Oh my gosh, that was a hiccup. Okay, I just got done with my appointment. My lashes look so good, and my brows. I got my brows tinted as well, just so I don't have to fill them in the next week. So I'm gonna head home to Tampa. It's like an hour and a half right now because of traffic. And I'm excited to like just stay in tonight and just like chill, relax, clean, all the things. Okay, I just got back. It was honestly such a long drive, but I wanted to give you guys a better look at my eyebrows and lashes. My eyebrows are definitely a little dark. They have to like wash off within 24 hours. Like they'll get like a little bit lighter, but I'll give you guys a closer look. They look really good. My lashes look great. I want to give you guys a little haul, a little package haul. I just got a new necklace in that I've been wanting from EP Jewels. It's like this beautiful cross. I love it. Super cute. So I got that. I really was looking at the popular bubble letter that they have, but like honestly, for me and like my personal experience, I just remember buying that like when I grew up, like when I was a child. I still have it. There's one that I have a G, and I bought it in like the mall, and it was like obviously fake diamonds, and I just feel like for a piece that big, I'm like, I need it to be real. Like it's huge. So I was like, I'm gonna hold off on that. But I want to show you guys some PR that I've gotten in the past few days, but I wanted to show you that necklace because I love it. It's so cute and dainty. I love it. You heard that right. Too Faced sent me PR. This is definitely the most exciting thing ever. They officially put me on their PR list, which is so exciting. So stay tuned because I'm gonna be doing a really good reel of all their products. But they sent me the Born This Way foundation. They also sent me the concealer, lip injection, my favorite mascara ever. I've talked about this so many times on my channel. They also sent me the Natural Nudes palette, which I have never tried out. So I'm excited to try this. I like don't do a lot of eyeshadow, so if I do it, it needs to be like a neutral palette. So let's give her a look. Ooh, she's gorgeous. That's really pretty. So I'm gonna be using that for sure because I like natural makeup. What I really love too about like the Born This Way stuff is that it's supposed to be like natural, like your skin but better. So excited to try more of that. And then also they sent me this super cute bag. Dr. Dennis Gross also sent me PR, and you guys know I'm obsessed with my facial steamer, my LED mask. I love a lot of things from Dr. Dennis Gross. So they sent me their lip product that just came out, which I've already used. I've talked about it in a couple videos, and I love this product. It really does help plump your lips. It's like the best one out there. So I got this, and I'm gonna do like a little lip care routine on my Instagram reels, which I'll upload on shorts too. And I'm gonna show you guys how I use this, how it plumps your lips, and like a before and after. So thank you, Dr. Dennis Gross, for sending this. And last but not least, Elemis is finally on Sephora. Thank God, because I love their cleansing balm. And I'm so excited that's finally on Sephora. So they sent me this beautiful package with Sephora. A dream. Are you kidding me? So many good products in here. So they sent me the collagen cleansing balm, which I already use. And then their dynamic resurfacing facial pads, which are these. And then their hydrating cream. They also sent me this super cute headband. And then it looks like there's like a towel or something underneath this. Oh, it's like a facial towel. How cute. It says Elemis London. I love it. So yeah, they're finally on Sephora. So I'm gonna link these 3 items down below for you guys to shop, but I'm definitely gonna do a video on Instagram and shorts of me using these. I'm hopping on a virtual date with my boyfriend at 8:45 tonight. So in the meantime, I want to clean. I just want to like get some stuff together, plan my day for tomorrow because tomorrow is laundry day, and just get stuff done. I also was planning on washing my hair tonight, but I'm not supposed to get my lashes wet for 24 hours. So I'm thinking maybe I'll just wash it tomorrow. I don't know. We'll figure it out. We'll see what's happening. But yeah, I definitely want to be productive in the next few hours because it's 5:25. I think for dinner, I'm gonna make these goodles. I've tried these the other day and I love them, so I'm like hyper fixated on them now. So I think I'm gonna make these for dinner because I haven't had an appetite recently. So for me, it's like typically on Friday nights I Uber Eats food, but if I'm not craving anything, I'm not gonna spend money on like extra food, you know what I mean? So I'll just make some boxed mac and cheese. Okay, so I just finished cleaning up a little and my scalp is like so itchy, like that's how dirty it is. And I think it's like only 5 days, but I'm just gonna go ahead and wash it tonight. I'm just gonna be like extra careful around my lashes and my eyebrows. I'm gonna show you guys my like hair oiling routine, like what I do before I wash it. Now honestly, this might like cure the itch and I might wash it in the morning, but at least I have this oil in my scalp and stuff for at least either a few hours tonight or like overnight for tomorrow. The first step I do is just brush out my hair. This is a Boar bristle brush from Amazon. I've used it for years and it really does help the shine in my hair. So I brushed it out really good. And then I take this bamboo brush. This one's from Amazon as well. And then the hair growth oil I use, a lot of people use Miel, which I have, and I think it's really good, but I wanted to try this one on TikTok Shop. It's by this brand Leo Organic, so I've been trying this. I've only used it twice, so like obviously like I don't know if there's a difference, but I do like it so far, I guess. So what I do is I section my hair into 2 sections on each side. I'm gonna try to part it like right there. Okay, there's 1 section there. And then I'll just take some of this hair growth oil and put it right there on my scalp, and then take the bamboo brush, and then I just brush it into my scalp. So I kind of like exfoliate a little like that. I also typically use like the little, so like this to stimulate my scalp beforehand, but I'm just not gonna do that tonight because I just kind of want to get into this part. You can also use this with the oil, it's up to you. But I just use the bamboo brush. And then the next section will be straight down the middle of my hair. And then I'll just take the bamboo brush and just make sure it's really getting on my scalp. You want like your whole scalp to fully be immersed in oil to really help hair growth and then just the strength of your hair. And then I always obviously pull it down to the ends. And then I'll just repeat on this other side. I feel like for me a lot of this is like it really soothes my scalp and like really helps like irritation and like flakiness and dandruff. Oh my god, I totally just got some in my eye. That's burning. Wow, that's like really burning because I think it has tea tree oil on it. So your hair should definitely be pretty oily, like enough for you to be able to do like a nice slick back. And a lot of people forget the crown back here, but you gotta make sure you get that too because that's where a lot of hair growth comes in. And then I'm gonna take some Kerastase oil and just do 1 big pump. Put this on the middle to ends of my hair just to really nourish it, and then I'm gonna put it into a little slick back. You can leave it down if you want, but I just like can't stand the oil hitting my face. So I just put it back into a regular ponytail just to get it out of my way. I'm gonna use this brush. Okay, and that is my hair oiling routine. This is honestly really good for like a last day wash. I totally could have done this hairstyle this morning if I was going to dinner tonight because it's just a cute, simple slick back and it literally looks like it's just like hair gel, but you're like oiling your hair, so it's better for you. She is slicked. Okay, I'm getting a little hungry. It's 6:30, so I think I want to make those goodle noodles. Because they sound really good. I think it's also about to like downpour here and that kind of like puts me in the vibe for like a nice little skincare night. So let's do that too. I'm also gonna throw in a few of these. If you guys have a Sprouts near you, oh my gosh, these are like my favorite quick meals ever. They're really clean ingredients. So I think 5 of them is 16 grams of protein and then that's like 16 grams. So I'm gonna throw in about 5 of these into the oven just for some extra protein with my meal. Have to make the sauce and it's just like a packet of the cheese powder they give you and then some milk. I don't even have almond milk, all I have is goat's milk, so I hope this is good. I just kind of add whatever I feel and then you just like mix away. I need a whisk. I added way too much milk and it's so watery. You can't even see it, oh my gosh, it's like straight water. Oh, I should have used a measuring cup. I'm so stupid. I don't know if I can make it like super thick by doing anything. Dang, oh, I just got it all over me. Oh, what can I do? What can I do? I don't think there's anything I can do to save this, you guys. It's just straight like, bro, I'm so annoyed. I'm so pressed. I was really looking forward to this, but it's not gonna be like, I mean, maybe I'll try, see if it's gonna be good. I don't really have high hopes that it's gonna be good with like freaking water cheese sauce. I guess it's not gonna be the best Friday night dinner. I'm still gonna eat it, honestly. I'm not wasting that. That was like $6. Literally cheese water. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little confused though because I used like enough, like I used the amount. I'm not bad at measuring. I think maybe it's the goat's milk. Maybe goat's milk, it's my first time using it in that, so maybe it just like doesn't mix up right. I don't know. Let's try it though. I feel like it's still gonna be good. Okay, we have a grape poppy. We have our goodles with literally, kind of even, it's literally water cheese. Okay. I'm a little scared. I wish there was like bits of hot dog in it. Growing up, my mom would always make Velveeta mac and cheese with like hot dogs in it. It was so good. It's okay. I'm still gonna eat it, but this is not the most pleasant meal. Oh my god, my chicken nuggets. Okay, now this is a true girl's dinner. Chicken nuggets with ketchup and mac and cheese. This is my dinner. Bon appetit. Wow, wild Friday night up in here, guys. So yummy. They're crispy. Hot. Honestly, I overcooked them. I literally had one job tonight and it was to make an easy dinner and I failed. Out of the bath. I took a shower and then I took a bath and now I'm feeling like I don't want to do a lot of skincare. I just want to lay in bed because I'm also on my period and I feel like I'm just ready to chill. And obviously I didn't wash my hair. I'm just gonna do that tomorrow morning because I'm too lazy right now. So I'm just gonna brush it out and let it be down for a little. For my skincare, I'm just gonna do the Anua Heart Leaf Toner. Put this on my face. I have to remember to not touch my eyebrows and eyelashes. I'm trying not to have it though. And then I'm gonna use the Aquel Licorice Toner. This is a pH balancing toner. This has really helped my blemishes on my face, like just calm down. It smells like Fruit Loops too. It smells really good. Gonna use the Rhode Glazing Milk now for some hydration, just to lock it in. I like using those on top of my toners for sure. Once that is dry, I'm gonna go in with the Medicube Collagen Jelly Cream. It looks like this. I just used a little bit of this, like maybe that much, and just moisturize my face. I really can't wait for my breakouts to stop breaking out because I really have like beautiful skin and I feel like it's just like making me feel so insecure. Like having the breakouts, I hate it, I really do. And then I go in with this spray. This stuff literally has helped so much clear out the bacteria. But just like on my lower chin, like, I don't want to get my eyebrows and eyelashes. Okay, so that is it for my skincare. I'm gonna hop on the computer with my boyfriend and we're gonna watch a movie. So I will see you guys in my very next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little day in the life. I feel like I didn't do too much, but it was just nice to like take you guys along with me. But let's pray for my skin because it needs the help and I'm really hoping that, well, I know that my holistic doctor is gonna help me out, so. All right, I love you guys and we'll see you guys in my very next video. This is your reminder that even with blemishes, you're still beautiful. Although I know it's hard, I'm literally dealing with it. I'm like, oh, I'm not pretty. But it's just a blemish, like you're still beautiful. Okay, I love you, bye.